So in today's video, we are going to be doing something that has been taking the beauty community by storm. Well, kind of. I have seen Alissa Ashley, rawbeautykristi, Nicole Guerrero. I feel like there's a couple more people who have done this video. Not too sure who is like the original creator of it. I will leave it linked down below and I will leave her on the screen once I figure out who officially started all of this. We are going to be mixing all of our liquid foundations together and checking in at the end of the day, seeing how they wear and seeing if I was just shook to my core and if I will do this again. I probably will not because it is very time consuming. But if I have any left over, then I may save it and use it in the future if it comes out really nice. If you guys aren't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. It's free. And if you want to get notified whenever I upload, go ahead and hit that bell beside it and just turn on the notifications. Give this video a thumbs up, and without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump into the video. Go ahead and get started. I need to grab a primer. That would be nice. For primer, I'm going to be using my trusty The Professional Matte Rescue. I know how this guy works with about 98.8% of these foundations, so this shouldn't affect anything. I'm just going to take my spatula and scoop some and put it on. I'm kind of excited to try this. I'm a little nervous. I feel like this coverage could be thebomb.com. If you guys saw in my last video I tried this. This is the Artiste Mini Palm Brush. I have really been digging this. And I'm going to try this on one half and then just on the other half do my beauty sponge because that's normally what I use. But honestly, I've been using that Artiste brush a lot lately. So let's just see here. Okay. The color is a wee bit too yellow. So I am going to drag it down my neck. I do have somewhere to go after this. I'm not entirely mad at that. I don't think this is like holy moly full coverage because I can still see some freckles, but this is sitting really nice. Definitely covered up my redness. Yeah, this definitely smells like my Wet n Wild, the Photo Focus foundation. I feel like with my sponge, it looks a lot more dewy. I feel like I'm losing a lot of the coverage though. I'm going to dip in with my sponge, start to add a little bit more. I feel like this looks very, very dewy. It's a decent color. I think it got a little bit yellow, but I'm not mad. It's not like incredibly dark to where I can't pull it off. Okay, so this is the foundation with no powder, no nothing, just fresh on. It looks very dewy and very radiant. And I'm going to go in with some cream contour and some concealer. Kind of see how it wants to play out. This is just the Fenty Matchstick, and this is an amber. Try and contour with this bad boy. And then for concealer, I'm going to be using my Naked Skin concealer. I love this concealer. It's so lightweight and it's full coverage. So creamy to me. It's not drying at all. Everything's blended out really nice. I don't see anything like picking up. None of the foundation was just removed. Ooh, look at that line though. Blend it on your ears. So this is with concealer and some contour now. Everything looks really nice. I still look very, very radiant and glowy. I'm gonna grab my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. I'm gonna dip my sponge in and set pretty much my whole face. I'm gonna start under my eyes with like the heaviest amount of powder, and then when I have barely any powder left, I'll start to work it on the rest of my face. I feel like my skin has never looked better before. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna finish my face, my eyes, and then I will be back and then we will check in later. All right guys, so I'm back a few hours later. I was running out of time and honestly just completely forgot to do a little bit of a mini check-in after I got done applying everything on my face, but we were running late for T's grandma's surprise birthday, so we kind of had to get out the door. So I apologize for that. I also didn't tell you guys what time I started. I actually put on the foundation, I think it was around 12 o'clock, and it is now 10:40. So we've had this on for 11 hours. Just about 11 hours, I believe. So we have definitely put this foundation to the test. I have not touched up. I have not done anything. I have gone throughout my day and I have some thoughts. So I thought I would share them with you guys. I look very oily right now and I actually used a mattifying primer. So that makes me a little bit nervous. Overall, I don't think it looks horribly bad. I'm sure if I powdered, which actually I'm going to try in a second, I'm sure that would solve everything. Everything else is still trying to look like in the monitor and in my mirror right here. Everything still looks like it's on my face. Like you can still, my highlight is still there. It is still doing its job. My contour is there, my blush, everything is still there. I do have smile lines, if you guys can see, like where the foundation stuck into there. But like I say in all of my foundations, I honestly haven't found a foundation that doesn't crease my smile lines. I'm very expressive. It actually did a really good job of not caking around my nose. When I was first applying it, I thought it looked very cakey around my nose, but everything looks really nice. Person, I feel like I don't look that bad for having had this on for almost 11 hours. I do feel like I'm greasy, but I told you guys I'm gonna try and powder and see if that would help it. If it does, I don't mind powdering a foundation if it does everything else that I need. This foundation kind of actually shook my world. Would I do this ever again? Maybe if I was feeling frisky again. It's very time consuming, but I was really impressed and really kind of blown away with the outcome of this. I think all of my foundations did really well together. None of them separated or did anything funny. Now I'm going to take some of my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder and just a brush and see if we can get rid of some of this shine. I get really oily right here. Oh yeah, that already looks better than this side. I know some of us oily girls carry just like a powder compact or something in our purses when we go out to kind of touch up. So I definitely think that this passed the test. I feel like I could go ahead and wear this for more hours of the night and be just okay. I think it looks brand new. If I had my oil sheets, I would have used those and then gone in with some powder and would have been definitely set to go for the night. I think this foundation worked wonders. I'm definitely gonna take this and put it in my little container and use it until it's gone. I mean, why not? Why waste all that foundation? And I think this worked really well. Those are all my thoughts mixing all of my foundations together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys will hit that subscribe button before you leave. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.